On July 13th, Congresswoman Barbara Lee convened a congressional briefing with several members of Congress on the federal response to the domestic HIV epidemic, marking the one-year anniversary of the release of the National HIV/AIDS Strategy.
We had a very vibrant congressional briefing today led by Congresswoman Barbara Lee and about 15 of her colleagues from the House. This is the first anniversary of the unveiling of the National HIV/AIDS Strategy by the President, and the Congresswoman and her colleagues wanted to hear what progress has been made in the last year, and we had a lot to discuss.
Other officials from the White House and the Department of Health and Human Services also presented at the congressional hearing.
First of all, there was tremendous input about domestic progress over the last year after unveiling of the strategy. So there were discussions on the whole spectrum of AIDS prevention and treatment in terms of awareness, education, testing, and a lot of interest in the 12 Cities project, which is focusing on areas of disproportionate burden. The second theme was that we need to do even more because the International AIDS Conference is being held here in D.C. exactly a year from now. So we need to demonstrate to ourselves and also to the global community the progress that has been made. So it was a very invigorating conversation, tremendous commitment from our congressional leaders, and I also want to thank our colleagues from the White House, Jeff Crowley, and from HHS, Ron Baldessari, Kyle Lewis, and Jonathan Mermin, who contributed to this effort today.
In recognition of this important milestone, the White House has developed a National HIV/AIDS Strategy Implementation Update. Please visit the AIDS.gov blog to learn more about this report and other updates on the National HIV/AIDS Strategy.